Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Godspeed coilovers. First, ensure your vehicle is safely supported on jack stands and the wheels are removed. Before you begin, familiarize yourself with the different parts of your coilover, including the spring perch, locking collars, and damping adjustment knob. Having the correct tools, such as spanner wrenches, will make the process much smoother and safer. Always prioritize safety and refer to your specific coilover manual for detailed instructions. Adjusting your ride height is a straightforward process. Begin by loosening the lower locking collar, which secures the spring perch. Once it's loose, you can rotate the main body of the coilover to either raise or lower your vehicle's stance. Turning it clockwise typically lowers the car, while counterclockwise raises it. Make small, incremental adjustments, perhaps 1/4 of a turn at a time, and always ensure that both sides of an axle are adjusted equally for balanced handling. Damping adjustment allows you to fine-tune your ride's comfort and performance. You'll find the damping knob, often with click settings, usually located at the top of the coilover. Turning the knob clockwise will increase the damping force, resulting in a stiffer ride, while turning it counterclockwise will decrease it, providing a softer feel. After making adjustments, take your vehicle for a short test drive to assess the changes and make further small tweaks until you achieve your desired ride quality. Spring preload is crucial for keeping the spring seated, not for setting ride height. Adjust it just enough to remove any slack when the suspension is fully extended. Once all your adjustments are complete, it's vital to securely tighten all locking collars to prevent any movement or loosening during driving. Double-check every component to ensure everything is snug and safe. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the links in the description below. Enjoy your newly adjusted Godspeed coilovers and the improved driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.